and want to welcome everybody to the SeaTac Light Rail Station. This station is the grand finale for CentralLink's first segment.
With more than 30 million passengers using SeaTac every year and 15,000 airport-related employees, we anticipate that this light rail station will be a welcome green alternative to getting to and from the airport.
This is for thousands and thousands of people going to be the front door for our region.
It was extremely smooth and easy, a lot easier than driving to the airport. And now we don't have to pay for parking, and it's just a quick, easy trip back.
This really represents the partnership of a lot of people. As Mayor Nichols said, over the course of 20 years, you think of the local officials, the Sound Transit Board members, the Port Commission, congressmen, senators, legislators. So many people over a long period of time had to work hard and work together to make this happen.
And I'm really proud and happy to see that it's finally joining our two cities together.
Before I had to catch it down at Tukwila, but now it's here, so it's way easier.
So instead of taking a taxi and paying a huge taxi fare, this was perfect.
This is a dream that will not end today. Every time I see a train go by as I travel through the city, I'm reminded of what an honor and a privilege it is to serve. Thank you all, God bless you, and enjoy the train.